Hi, I'm Marshall. I'm the owner of Going Gear, and I'm here in our store in Smyrna, Georgia. This is the quick and dirty review of the Eagtac TX25C. Alright, so here we are with the two versions of the Eagtac TX25C. Really cool little light. It's actually a pocket thrower, so you guys have been asking us for a really long time about a compact light that you can stick in your pocket that actually gives you some decent beam distance. Well, here you go. This is it. We have the XML2 version and the Xpl High version. Difference between the two, you have slightly lower output on the Xpl High version, but you go from 239 meters on the XML2 of beam distance to 329 meters of beam distance on the Xpl High. And both of those are with the extension tube. So this comes with an extension tube. I'll show you what that looks like, and I'll use it when we go outside. And you have some other accessories as well. So you have a split ring, you have some spare O-rings, you have a nice lanyard. You can use all that if you want to. So the extension tube, what it does is you get a bump in the output, you get a bump in the runtime, and you get a bump in the beam distance. But it is larger, so you have to decide whether or not you want that. With the extension tube, they actually print on there, or they engrave on there, what batteries it can handle. So 2.7 volts to 6 volts. That means you cannot use two RCR123s. With no extension tube, the light can run on one CR123 or one RCR123. With the extension tube, it can run on two CR123s. Do not put two RCR123s. So when we take this outside, we'll have two CR123s in there. I'm going to go and take that extension tube back off. I actually kind of slide the head off so I can show you the LEDs. XML2 LED, XPL High. You can see there is no dome. You see the dome on the XML2. No dome on the XPL High. That's how you get that really good beam distance. We go over all this more in depth in the extended review if you want to see all this more in depth, an explanation about everything, and we go out to longer distances when we go outside. So check that out if you want to see a more in-depth review. Nice pocket clip on here, so it's actually attached by screws, really nice and sturdy. Alright, the interface on here is completely controlled by the side switch. Tap that side switch, it'll go into the lowest output. Press and hold, it'll go into the highest output. While it's on, press and hold, it'll cycle through your other outputs. You also have a single flashing mode, so if you press and hold that switch for 10 seconds, it'll go into a beacon flashing mode, no strobe or SOS or anything like that. You also have a battery indicator built in, so 2 flashes means that it's medium, 3 flashes means that the battery has lots of capacity, 1 flash means it's probably about time to switch it out. One more nice feature is that you have a magnetic tail cap built into these, so you can attach these to metallic objects or pick things up with the magnetic tail cap, and you can remove that if you want to. Alright, that's the interface and everything of the TX25C. We're going to go ahead and take both versions outside, and we'll show you how they do outside. Alright, I got the two TX25Cs outside. Let's go ahead and give them a try. We are going to do the XML2 first. There's the XML2 on max output. Pretty decent amount of throw on this, relatively wide beam. It's a good combination of a lot of things. You can see you've got a nice usable spill in there, so it's lighting up a pretty wide area. Relatively large hotspot. Let's actually zoom in down there just so you can see how well that dock house down there 100 feet away is lit up. We'll cycle through the other outputs. And you got that low, which is great for up close kind of stuff. Alright, let's try out the XPL High now. More concentrated. And if you want to see this even better, check out the extended version of this video. We'll go out to some longer distances and you can see what this thing can do with some more space. But it's more concentrated. So you're not going to be lighting up as wide of an area at once with the hotspot, but it's going to be able to give you more distance. So it's all about, what's better for you. Let's do them side by side. So here's the XPL High on the left, XML2 on the right. We'll cycle them back and forth real quick just so you can see the difference. So there you go. That is the Eagtac TX25C. This is the XML2 version and the XPL High version. Both very cool lights. XPL High if you want distance. XML2 if you want to light up a wider area at once. And this is with the extender on both, 2 CR123s on both. But you can get these from me if you like them at goinggear.com. As always, get going and start something. Thanks for watching.